A glittering piece of star of the state of Rajasthan, Udaipur rises like an oasis, defying the blazing heat of the desert. Built around three artificial lakes, Pichola, Fateh Sagar, and Swarup Sagar, the city shines like a string of pearls in the green embrace of the Aravalli Mountains. Known as the City of Lakes, Udaipur is a symbol of elegance and opulence, just like its treasures, which have been secluded and protected from attack throughout history. Founded in 1553 by Maharana Uday Singh II, the brave leader of the Mewar Kingdom, Udaipur is located in the fertile Girwa Valley of the Nagda. This kingdom is sometimes called Mewar and sometimes Marwar. The word Mewar is derived from an ancient place name called Medapata. Meda refers to the Meda tribe that took root in this land, now known as Badnor. Pata refers to the administrative unit. On the other hand, the word Marwar is a combination of the Sanskrit word Maru, meaning desert, and the local Rajasthan word Wad. So Marwar literally means desert region. However, the story of Udaipur is not limited to this information. The Lake Palace, which has become the symbol of the city, rises fairy tale-like in the middle of Lake Pichola. This enchanting palace was brought to life in the 18th century, and today it opens its doors to its guests as a luxury hotel. The history and architecture of Lake Palace will mesmerize your eyes. Another palace called Jag Mandir has also become a popular venue for special events and weddings. Udaipur comes alive with festivals and events of all colors. The Mewar Festival, and Gangar Festival in particular, are a vibrant reflection of the traditional culture in the city. During these festivals, you can enjoy dancing, music, and a riot of colors. Give yourself plenty of time to explore these beauties and make everlasting memories in this magical corner of India.